What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing these two cars here, but if you guys can't already tell, I'm sick, so my voice is going to sound different. But yeah, let's get right into it. I've just been so excited to unbox these cars that I didn't want to wait, and they've been sitting here for quite a while. So let's open them. We have the Land Cruiser, we have the Hellcat, and then we have this other Camaro that came in the set. This was a pretty good set. It's actually a really good set. Came in a really nice Camaro, Land Cruiser, Lycan Hypersport, SRT Widebody, and then 71 Plymouth GTX. Alright, we will start with the Land Cruiser. I have one more of these. Also, I am opening up a website. So I will let you guys know when I do that, and I will be having a whole bunch of amazing cars on there for you guys. It'll be up and running really soon. I already bought the domain. So here we have it. This particular Land Cruiser had really good wheels and tires. People have been going crazy over this one. So I did buy two. I have one in the box. I'll probably put it up on my website for you guys since a whole bunch of you want this and aren't able to get it. But yeah, here it is, metal on metal, premium obviously. It has tires with treads on it, and the wheels. I love the wheels that have like the little dots in them. I've been hoping that I was hoping that Hot Wheels would eventually make these, and they did. So that's cool. It looks really nice. The back has like a nice little bed in there. You could barely see it, but yeah, good detail. Headlights, taillights, no license plate. Yeah, I like this one. We'll put it on the turntable for you guys, and then we'll move on to the wide body SRT. Alright, moving on to this one, this SRT. I've really wanted to get this out of the box, same with that, but I've had this on my nightstand. I've had my eye on it for a long time, and I've been really excited to open this up. One thing I do notice is on the card, it has red stripes on the stripes of the car, and on the actual car itself, it has yellow ones. I'm guessing that was intentional. I know it's not an error. They all have that, but I don't know if that's from the show or not, or what happened there, but that's how that is. Let's get this one open. I don't have a second one of these since these are getting scooped up like crazy, but there it is. The card, and here is the actual car. I really do like these wheels, 5 spokes, and I think that if you're gonna have a Charger wide body, it needs to be in black. I think the black one looks the best. So here it is. The stripe is printed right down the middle. Good job, Hot Wheels, you didn't screw that up. The headlights are really good. Taillights, once again, pretty good. No license plate. Metal on metal, rubber wheels, everything you get with a premium. These tires do not have treads, but I do not want them to have treads. And yeah, you could definitely tell it's a wide body because even when I like pull the wheels in, you see that the fenders stick out a lot. Because normally when you see that, that's the wheels, but in this case, it is the wide body. I will try to get a normal Charger so we can compare it to the wide body, but we will also put this on the turntable for you guys, but let's just compare it real quick with this one. This is a 2015, this is a 2020. I mean, they look really similar. It doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, you could definitely tell that this one is very wide compared to that one. So we could put these on the turntable so you can see the difference. And this is a mainline, this is a premium. So yeah, let's get these on the turntable and we'll be back. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching to the end. Please comment down below any questions or any feedback on the videos. Like, subscribe, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.